Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. As we have started about civil engineering basic knowledge lecture series, and already I have uploaded huge amount of video that are really required for a civil engineer, to grow their basic knowledge. And actually, first of all, I have focused about software tutorials. Then I have thought that think that it will be very helpful for me also if I create video on it, and it will be very helpful for my co-learners, my other civil engineers brothers and sisters. So that's why I'm going to discuss, and I'm going to make video on it, and it will also work on my professional life. So in this video I'm going to discuss about difference between short column and long column. So that make very confusion that what is short column or what is long column, and what is the difference between them, and how we'll understand that that is the short column, and that is the long column. So for that we have to know about just that topic. So let's start. So first of all, the difference between short column and long column. So for short column, a column is considered to be short if the ratio of effective length to its least lateral dimension is less than or equal to 12. That means uh, suppose a beam have a cross section area of 4 and 2 inch, cross section area of 20 into 12 inch. So the least dimension will be 20 and 12, and its length will be the length of total floor to floor height of that column. So we have to divide that column, we have to find out the ratio of them, and after that we'll compare with 12. So if is it equal or less than 12, then it is short column, and if is it greater than 12, then it is long column. So if we see in another difference, the ratio of effective length of short column is least radius of gyration is less than or equal to 40. So what is it? The ratio of effective length. So first of all, you have to find out, or you have to know about effective length. So what is effective length of a column? So for that you can find the video in my playlist civil engineering basic knowledge, and there have that video about effective length, how we'll find out effective length of a column. So almost all column with fixed support, its effective length are 0.5 of its total length. Okay, so half of it total length, it is the effective length. So the ratio of effective length of a short columns to its least radius of gyration. So first of all, you have to find out the least radius of gyration is less than or equal to 40, then it is short column. And similarly, if its radius of the effective ratio of effective length to the radius of gyration is greater than 40, then it is long column, but it should be the least radius of gyration. After that, buckling tendency is very low. For short column, the buckling tendency is very low, but long column, we know that the main failure of long column is buckling. Okay, so long and slender columns buckle easily. Then if we see, the load carrying capacity is high as compared to long column of the same cross sectional area. Suppose we consider a same cross sectional area of long column and short column, then the short column will be able to carry huge amount of load, more load than the long column. So if we provide the same load, like a short column and long column, they have a chance to failure due to buckling for long column. So after that, the failure of short column is by crashing. In my previous video I have discussed about that, about crashing failure and about the buckling failure, and the column generally fail in buckling for long column. So I think it's clear that what is the short column and what is long column and what is the major difference between them. So if you think that you need more video like that topics, or like that knowledge, basic knowledge, so you can let me know. And thank you for watching. So if you're a civil engineer, I think you're a civil engineer, that's why you're here. So if you're a civil engineer, this is a channel for a civil engineer. So I think if you think that this channel is helpful for you, so subscribe to our channel and also like our channel video, and also share that video with your engineer friend, and stay with us for the next video, and don't forget to support us. So thank you very much. Stay well, stay connected till next video.